So today I'm going to show you how to install Hydrus on Linux. I don't see any video tutorials on this anywhere. I like videos. I learn better through videos. So I figured, hey, there's probably other people out there like me. So I'm going to try and give us the rundown on this, and hopefully it doesn't sound too crazy. So the first thing you want to do is go and download the current version of Hydrus. So I will link this in the description. Right now it's 5.8.8. What you'll do is you'll want to download this one, the Linux executable, because we're not running Mac and we're sure as hell not running Windows. This will download. And once it's downloaded, it'll be in your, obviously, downloads folder, unless you've changed this. So from here, what I do is I will copy it, or correction, cut it, Control X, move it to my software folder here. Now I've already done this and I've already executed it in here. And from here, you'll have to install two other things before we even try to run this. So we'll go back here, and then from here, you want to go to Install and Upgrading on their main page for their GitHub. And then you'll click Linux, which I will link all this in the description so you don't have to click anything. And you're going to have to install this through terminal, and then install this through terminal. Once those two things are installed, you can then go back to here, right click, open terminal, and if it'll let me, dot backslash or period backslash, and I think, if I can remember what it's called, you know, we're just going to take a stab in the dark. Hydrus _ client. And now you have it working. So yeah, that's how I do it.